Well, our coldest stretch of weather over the next several days is going to take place as we go through the overnight hours. Still a few areas seeing some flakes drifting down through the atmosphere. Nothing heavy. This is all starting to clear out from the north. 16 right now in the FM area. It feels like 0, however, with a north wind that has picked up a little bit here over the last couple of hours, blowing at 17 miles per hour. 3 degrees in Cavalier, 3 degrees in Langdon, and 9 in Grand Forks. In the teens westbound on I-94, Gwinner at 21. As we look off to the east, we have 12 degrees in the Fergus area right now with 14 in Bemidji. Here is a look at the satellite radar, and the radar is not picking up absolutely every flake out there, as you see here along the South Dakota border by the Dakota Magic Casino Cam. Nothing being picked up there, but indeed a few flakes flying down. Most of the activity tonight in the central Dakotas, where roads did get a fresh little layer of slippery snow. So take it easy if you're traveling out in that general direction. This is all moving south fairly quickly, and our cloud cover is clearing from north to south tonight, and that's going to really allow things to get quite cold, along with the north wind transporting a colder air mass in place. Everyone along and north of Highway 2 with a very good shot of being well below 0, around 5 below to 10 below. 2 below here in the Fargo area, and remaining just above that mark as we look farther to the south. So a chilly one out there. Factor in the winds, and we'll have wind chills between 10 and 20 below at the bus stop in the morning. So have the hats and scarves ready to go. By the midday hour, if you're heading out for lunch, nothing too warm out there, still single digits for many of us. A few clouds drifting in from the west, and as we go through the afternoon, our wind becomes light, variable, and eventually shifts to become southerly late in the day. That'll set the stage for a nice warm-up as we close out the work week on Friday. But for your day tomorrow, nothing too warm across the board. In fact, in Fargo, 2 below is how we'll start out. West winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour and a temperature peaking at 12 degrees. We cool off fairly quickly in the evening, but those clouds could slow that rate of cooling later in the day. 15 on your way home from work in Oaks Valley City, 13 degrees, 9 for Grand Forks. Lakes Country will see temperatures between 5 and 10 degrees and right around 5 degrees up along Highway 2. Gorgeous shot here, courtesy of Barbara. Thanks so much for taking the shot of that lovely barn there in the snowy scene. Here's a look at your forecast, and as far as snowflakes go, not expecting any more tomorrow or Friday. Friday's sunshine and south winds warm us to the 20s once again in the Southern Valley. On Saturday, if you're heading to the Bison game, expect temperatures between 25 and 30 in the afternoon. We remain sunny, but a bit breezy from the south. Temperatures peaking Sunday and into Monday. Not too bad next week either, as we're talking temperatures that will hover right around 30 degrees. And notice not much snow there in the 7-day planner. In fact, none. So it looks like a dry stretch for the next week.
Dry and a little above average temp-wise. That's okay.
It is.
Thanks.